Alright guys, so welcome to this channel. Today we're going to be doing this new month design with this text effect here and this. So it's very simple. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video. Please do well to subscribe, to like and to comment so that we can hear your views to this channel. Thank you very much. So follow the channel for graphic design tutorials. So let's go into the video. Alright, so the first thing we do here is that we're going to create a new canvas. And I use 4x4 inches, resolution 300, white background, and I'm just going to select create artboard here. Yeah, just like you can see what I click on the screen, so that's going to help you to see in case you don't know. Alright, we're going to remove these guides here. Clear guides. I'm going to just click on view here. I'm going to clear guides, remove these blue lines here, and as usual my layer panel used to be here before. Now it's here. So I just move this here because of sometimes the layers can be a lot to allow me to access to see all of them, all the layers I put here. So that you can just click on it, the bar, and drag to wherever you want. Like it's a custom setting for Photoshop. You can change your background or anything you want. So let's get into the design without too much stuff. So click on solid color, then create our solid color as 022529. That's one of the basic colors I use. Basic color, but then we'll bring in this texture here, this pattern, and place it here. Just drag and drop into place in your Photoshop, or you can just click on file, you can place a method, then just go to where your file is, your PNG image is, or your image, any image you want to import. Just go to where it is and it places here. Simple, you can place or you can drag it. Then this, we're going to change the blend mode to divide here. We're going to change the opacity to 10%. Alright. So I've created this background. You can see it's very nice background. So what next is just the text effect here. So the text effect, by using the font Poppins. So we're going to type match here. Match. I think it's a capital letter. Match. Yep. Match. Yep. Always a small letters. Match is a sentence case. Match. Alright, then I'm going to click this increasing Poppins at 48 points. So what we're going to do, we're going to screw this. We're going to create Control T, and we're going to right click and click on screw. So we're going to screw this, drag this point up here, then the right point, we drag it up, so it goes like this, what you can see here. So you can see I'm going to screw it again, right click, I'm going to Control T, then right click and click on screw. I'm going to drag this up here like this. Right. So what we're going to do next, we're going to convert this one to convert it to a smart object. So just right click and click on convert to smart object. Then what we're going to do next, we're going to duplicate this smart object. Then we're going to turn the fill of this smart object to about 0. Change the fill to 0. Then we're going to click on this, double click on this to open our blending options. Then we're going to create a stroke for it. A stroke about 6 pixels outside. Then we're going to click OK. I'm going to shift this a bit. Shift this up and shift this side a bit. So that's just that about this one. And we're going to click on this, duplicate, Ctrl J. I'm going to drag this one down. I'm going to click on this. I'm going to click on color overlay. We're going to use this color here. This dark color here. This color here, 5B7836 on the screen. Click on it. Click on OK. So I'm going to move this to the left of the design here. Okay, so we're succeeded in creating this text effect. You can see, very simple to do. What we're going to do, we're going to change the stroke of this one. We're going to change it to 5 points. 5 points here. Alright. So that is just the simple text effect. Very simple to do. Let's see. Right. So let's just move this one. Move this one to the side and leave this one where it is and move this one a little bit back. Okay. Alright. So what we'll do, we select these 3 layers, hold Ctrl and hold Shift and select and group them. Ctrl G. Ctrl J. We're going to name this match. Then we're going to add a drop shadow to this. So click on this group, add drop shadow to the group. Yep, I've added a drop shadow to this. And move this second one. Drop shadow, multiply, opacity 30, angle 90, distance 26, spread 0, size 6. The contour is flat and the noise is 0. So very simple. Alright, so that's what we do here. So we can, the next thing for us to do is to create a rectangle, rounded rectangle. So we just create one here. Then we'll change the fill to 0 to white, 100% white. Then we'll change this one here too. Then we're going to screw it like we did to that other one. We're going to screw it like we did to that one. So we just click on Ctrl T to transform. Then we'll click on screw. Then we will just drag this one up. So first of all, let's just put it here. Then we're dragging this one up here. This here, we'll drag it up. We'll drag this one up also. It will be like that. It will be aligned with this one. Alright, screw. Yes, click on yes. Alright. So typing our text is the next thing. What do we type on? We'll type happy new month. Happy new month. Alright. We're going to make this, click on character here. If you can't see character, you can't see this here, just click on window and character. Yeah, make sure it's checked on. Then we're going to move the size, bring the size down 24, move the size down to 16. Alright, so this happening, we're going to take it up over this layer since that's what we want it to be. Then we're going to change the color of this. I'm going to change the color of this to this color here. So we're going to click on this and change it to this color. Alright. Then we're going to also screw this, Ctrl T, then screw. Then we'll drag this one up here to screw so it's be aligned to that. So you can see that's just it. Then I'm just going to bring in the last image here. So all our materials, all our things on our resources are on the description below. All you need to do is to download them. While the font here is Poppins font. So we're going to drag in this PNG file here, the leaves, and place here. Then all we need to do is press Ctrl and minus to zoom out. Then make sure that this is in maintain aspect ratio is there, so that the aspect ratio will not be changed. Then show transform control, so that you can see how we transform it. So we will just drag it, make sure it laps with the canvas. So press Ctrl 0, so you can see how far we have gone. I think we will drag this a bit higher. No, not that. Oh, let's lock this layer. If we want to make any transformation, let's drag this layer like it. Oh. So we'll drag this. We'll drag this. Make it bigger. Click on good. Click 0. Ctrl 0 to have this. I think this is too big. I'm not satisfied with this. Too big. And we'll drag this one down. Right. So here's what we have. Alright, Ctrl 0. The one I'm going to group these 3 layers together. Group these 3 layers together. Then I want to Ctrl T. I want to scale it proportionally, so that it just becomes bigger, a little bit bigger. Alright. I'm going to click on Ctrl A, bring out this, and I'm going to align it to the center of the design. So bring out the center of the design. So here's what we have. Happy New Month, March. Happy New Month. Just a green design here, and this is what we did before, and this is what we have. This is what we have, and this is what we did. So thank you guys for watching. Do well to subscribe, do well to like, do well to comment, and hope to see you on our next video. Thank you very much.